I'm going to show you how to make the famous Vietnamese sandwich Banh Mi. This time with tasty lemongrass beef. Start by marinating the meat. For this, cut 10 ounces of tenderloin beef into thin slices. Put them in a mixing bowl. Slice 1 lemongrass, removing the small end and the first leaf, which are hard. It will give a delicious lemony flavor to the meat and make it more tender. Put it in a mortar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Crush it to release its flavor. Also add 3 cloves of garlic. Add it to the meat. Then add ½ teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of fine spice powder, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix and set aside. To make the pickles, grate 1 carrot. Take 5 ounces of daikon, peel it, cut it into julienne. Put them with the carrot. Mince 1 small onion and 1 mini pepper or 1 hot chili. Then add ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Combine and keep aside. Slice 2 onions. Cut 1 spring onion lengthwise. And 0.5 ounces of cilantro. In a pan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the onions. Occasionally stir for 3 minutes. They'll become soft and melting. Put them to one side of the pan. Add the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Put the marinated beef. Stir for 1 minute. Then mix everything for 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and put the beef in a bowl to keep it tender and juicy. Everything is ready. Make the Banh Mi sandwiches. First, spread 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise on the bread. Put some pickles, some sautéed beef, add some spring onion and cilantro. The beef Banh Mi is ready. Bon appétit! It is the perfect sandwich for any occasion. The meat is exceptional, very tender, well flavored with the melting onions, lemongrass, and fine spice powder. The pickles provide crunch and a pleasant sourness. Mayonnaise enhances all the flavors. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.